Hey everyone, we are doing a combined Aldi's and Sam's Club haul today because we don't really have enough from either one. Just checking the bag real quick. Or we don't really have enough, at least from Sam's, to do a separate haul for Sam's today. So I'm just going to do Aldi's and Sam's together on Tuesday. You'll see it together. Dogs whining, gonna hurry. I have one container of the traditional meat sauce for pasta for spaghetti. These silicone ice cube trays, or ice stick trays, are supposed to be really good. So we're going to try these in our canteens and water bottles for the rest of the summer. 4 packs of the dried mangoes, 1 bag of sharp shredded cheddar cheese, 1 bag of baby carrots, 1 block of extra sharp cheddar cheese, 1 pack of hot dog buns, 1 bag of everything bagels, 1 bag of Hawaiian bagels. For dinner to go with pizza time, we have 3 Santa Fe salads, 1 chicken Caesar salad, and 1 chef salad. These are the sweet snack packs. This one is the mild yellow cheddar cheese, roasted almonds with sea salt, raisins, and white chocolate chunks. Italian dry salami from Matt's Lunches, 1 box of saltines for just something different to go with some meals coming up this week, lactose-free milk, and also a meal plan will be at the end. The honey butter breast tenders was going to be a freezer stock up because they actually had them in stock, and when they have them in stock, I try to stock up on them because we want to use them, you know, later on a meal plan that I didn't have them for this week. So that way we'll have them next time I want them. 1 bag of the frozen meatballs, again, to go with the spaghetti stuff. We're doing 1 pack of the Nathan's hot dog buns. It's a couple more things. So 4 bags of the steamed broccoli and 4 bags of the California medley. Both of these are frozen vegetables, and some will be freezer stock up and some are for this week. That's it for the Aldi's. So then we have the real crumble bacon bits. This is a really good for adding just like a slight protein to like salads, baked potatoes, whatever for this week. Southern style potato salad to go with, I think, sandwiches with this week. I don't know. I'll look it up later. One large container of grapes for our fresh fruit, and 2 bags of Caesar salad kit. And that is it for both Aldi's and Sam's Club. Thank you so much to everybody for subscribing and watching, and for members for supporting our content, and we will see you next time.